Hello, this is Todd Whitehurst with Whitehurst Legal Services, Wabash, Indiana. I've been doing a series of short videos on different topics concerning the legal field. This video is going to be dealing with criminal defense and kind of explain what a plea agreement is. And people, I get clients who come in who have been arrested before. And I always try to explain to them, even though they've had some experience in that field, they really don't understand what a plea agreement is. So a plea agreement is a contract between the client or the defendant and the state of Indiana. It is a contract. So I get clients who, after they have been sentenced, they want the judge to modify their sentence. Judge does not have that authority in Indiana without the written consent of the prosecutor. So you need to be aware of that. If that plea agreement is in writing, and all felony plea agreements should be in writing. So if you have that and it is in writing, the defendant signs off. Typically, the defense counsel will sign off as well as the prosecutor. Once the judge accepts that plea agreement, it is a binding contract. So you need to be aware of that if you are ever in that situation. The system, the criminal court system, could not function without plea agreements. If everybody who was charged with a crime, if every single person wanted to take that case to trial, there is no way the court system, and I don't care what county or city you're in, there is no way the system could handle the number of jury trials. So that's why plea agreements are done. Now, the prosecutor's office, when they file charges and you get towards the plea agreement stage, they're going to weigh their case, and if they have any experience doing jury trials and such, they're going to have a good idea how strong their case is. The weaker their case, the better offer they're going to give. From a defense perspective, the stronger the state's case, the worse the plea agreement is going to be. So it really, that's how that balances out. So if you have been charged and you are at that stage to where you have received a plea agreement, if you have questions about it, please feel free to reach out, contact our office. We'll be more than happy to try to help navigate you through that process. Thank you.